Good morning, everyone. It is time to go for a hike. Woo! So Crystal and I are actually going hiking at Pockwock River Waterfalls. We went there our very first hike, one of our very first hikes, if not our first hike. And we want to see what it looks like this time of year. Also, how much we've improved since that first hike, whether or not we can make those river crossings or river jumps. So you'll have to go back and watch the first Pockwock waterfall hike, and then come back and watch this one and compare. This is it. I'm gonna park here somewhere, right in there.
Yeah, there's someone here today.
Yeah, I think there was somebody here last time. Here we are, peeps. Here we are. Well, there was no leaves on trees. That's what I said. It'll be interesting. There's leaves on the trees, and now they're changing colors. Because, yeah, last time we were here, it was just, it was early spring. It was still snowing a little bit.
Yeah.
What are they trying to hide? We just found this burnt out car on the trail. Freakity deakity, man. So last time we were here, we went in on this side of the river, up to the waterfalls. So this time we're going to go on this side of the river, just to get a different view, and see if we can cross over and get to the other side anyway. So we're leaving the bridge, and instead of going to the left of it, we see kind of a path here, which we think will take us into the right side. If not, we'll just go in and walk along the stream. But this kind of looked like a path, so we're going to check it out. Yeah, looks alright. Looks alright. Oh my heavens, like there's no water coming over these rocks. It'll make it easy to cross for us anyway. The waterfalls, they're definitely smaller than when we were here last. But there they are in their glory. We sat on that rock to have lunch, and there's the water line. Crazy. The rock is woo, waterfall! I think that because you can see what's left of it. It's pretty small, but still nice. There's one of these on the other side. They look like chia pets, giant chia pets in the woods. I like them. Oh, there's little falls. They're almost the same size as the other ones. So we're just walking upstream a little bit here, or upriver, but it's more like a stream right now. looking for a place to cross because the last time we were here, there was no way we could cross. But we're much braver now, and the water level is much lower. So we're going to cross over and come down. The waterfall's on the other side. And I think there's quite a few places we could cross, especially right up here. I'm going to attempt to cross here. Looks relatively easy. And that's pretty down there. But sometimes you get at a different angle and it's not so easy. Slippery. Hippity hop, no prob. So we're now back at the waterfalls on the other side. We'll take a look before we hike over to the lake.
There's definitely water on this side.
So we're going to hike back up and down the other side of the river here as we head towards the lake. And there's kind of this freaky stone wall we're going to check out over there. The other chia pet. Chia. Ooh, there's that stone wall over there. What is it? Who built it? Where did it come from? Where did it come from?
Do we have to go around?
End of it, so it's like pretty thick, this wall. What do you think it is, Crystal?
Oh, no idea.
I think it has something to do with maybe the mill or something, but it looks like that's kind of wall over there too.
Oh yeah.
Was it a building? Weird. What is it? So we just came back up out of the woods. We feel like we're out on a nice leisurely walk. I'm sure it wasn't this easy when we were here last time. So now we're going to go to the other side and down this trail, and we're going to go check out the lake. Yeah, there was a big turned up tree up here. Yeah. Right before the really pretty in here, another week or two.
Yeah.
So suddenly we're out at the lake. Yeah, this has been one of it might have been hard when we first started hiking, but this has been one of our easier hikes so far since we started. So this was the campsite that was here when we were here last time. It's still here. There was a stand of some sort that had wood and stuff on it there. Yeah. The tarp here, and there was more of a cooking area.
Someone just
Now, for the best part, ba-bam! Beautiful. It's a little shallower than it was, but still pretty spectacular. Check out the water. It's a good thing I got a pedicure. Alrighty, let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna have to roll up my pant legs. Alrighty, here we go. Is it gonna be cold? We don't know. Oh, it's not too bad. It's not quite as warm as it was earlier in the year. We're gonna hike around a little bit of the lake. We didn't hike any of the lake last time we were here, so we're gonna hike around the point and see what's over there. Yeah, I think we just kind of went right back in. Of the road, as pretty as it is. So we're gonna see if there's a path back through the woods.
there, maybe.
Yeah, it looks like one. Let's give it a try. We've decided to abort that mission. There's just nowhere to go. Nowhere to go.
Nowhere.
Nowhere to go. There's a million baby trees in here, which is awesome. Keep looking for a trailer, or we'll just go back to where we started. Either way, it's all good. Really, it's not even a noticeable path either. So back in where we originally came out. So it's only a few kilometers in here. It's a pretty mild hike, fairly easy. We even tried to create a little challenge for ourselves, walking along the shores over the rocks, scrambling and stuff. So now we're going to head back out, I guess, and that's it. That was Pockwock Falls, and what's this lake called? It's not called Pockwock. I'll post it. Just sitting down here under the bridge for a minute to relax before we head back because it's pretty. And Crystal thinks she solved the mystery. So the strange rock walls we saw that are further up there, actually there's one on this side and one on this side. So we're thinking it possibly was a bridge that was washed away at some point. Way to go, Crystal. You're something smart. You solved the mystery. I hope you enjoyed our hike to Pockwock Waterfalls for the second time, and I hope you continue to follow us on more adventures. So if you're already a subscriber, thanks, you rock. And if not, just click that button in the corner, right there. Yep, right there.